Jonathan Montoya's 72-Hour Challenge is an online program designed to help individuals start making money online through affiliate marketing. The challenge is structured to guide participants step by step over the course of 3 days, with the goal of helping them build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. Who should join? Beginners. Perfect for those who are new to affiliate marketing and want to start generating income online. Experienced marketers. Ideal for those who have tried affiliate marketing, but are looking for a proven system to achieve better results. The biggest benefit of the 72-Hour Challenge is the speed at which it empowers you to launch a profitable online business. In just 3 days, you can go from having no online presence to running a fully automated affiliate marketing system that's ready to generate income. The complete 72-Hour Challenge is currently priced at just $9, though I'm not certain how long this offer will remain available. I've heard that the price is set to increase to $297 soon. That's why you should start the challenge now. Click the link in the video description.